everybody, Lauren here from Anita Goodesign, and I am so excited to be here with, of course, one of my favorite co-workers, Miss Brianna.
Hey y'all.
So we are just really excited because we're gonna break down this month's October 2021 All Access.
And this is Embellished Christmas. This is our special edition for this month, and it is gorgeous. You have wonderful 3D blocks here, free motion blocks, and you can see how different this collection can really look just with your different choices of fabrics and threads. It also includes, of course, all of these beautiful embroidered borders and sashing that you see here. Those are going to be included in this collection for you.
This collection is called Quilted Gift Baskets. Now these are fantastic for all seasons. They're a great project. If you look really closely here, the one I'm showing you has pumpkins on it, so it's great to prepare for Thanksgiving. And of course, we have ones with hearts for Valentine's Day. These are lined, so they're gonna be great for your tablescapes. They're also really beautiful if you want to make them the gift, but then put some beautiful tchotchkes in here as well.
This is Festive 50s Fringe. I really had to practice that title, and you can't say it too fast to make sure you get it right. This Festive 50s Fringe features one of our brand new techniques, and this is our loop fringe technique. So we have these really fun little Christmas designs.
So I have Christmas layers. Now this is one of our quilting collections for this month that I know you're gonna love. It's really adorable. So it has detail stitching in the background that correlates with the main design. It's all embroidery, so it is a really fairly quick stitch out. We have our folded fabric borders. We used a little bit of more of a modern color palette here, but of course you can use traditional red and green if you wish. Lots and lots of options.
I have one really fun project collection from this month, and these are double gift card holders. These little guys are so adorable, and you can actually fit 2 gift cards or, you know, money, that's fun too, inside of your little gift card holder here. When you open that up, we have all different kinds. You can see this one here has got this little pink one. This one says thanks a latte, so just to say thank you to someone. So these really can be used all year round. And then of course I saved the best for last. This is my favorite with the little kitty cat, and it says you're meowsome. And Lauren, you are meowsome.
I think so too, Brianna. I am. Here are the Jolly Towel Danglers. Look how adorable these designs are. We have Mr. Gnome here. Now on our towels, we used a lot of different textured fabrics, so just keep that in mind. If you are changing your fabrics up, you may not want to actually use these. These are just for decor and beautiful. Of course, we have elves from the North Pole helping us out. We have Mr. Fox. I mean, our towel danglers would not be complete without Rudolph. How can we get through the holiday season without him? So tons more designs that come in this collection as well. But of course, you can never go wrong with decorating your kitchen for Christmas. Brianna, are you getting ready to decorate for Christmas yet?
I still have to decorate for fall. I'm a little behind.
We're so busy getting projects ready for you all that we have not decorated our houses yet.
Exactly, but I'm going to be using some of these gift card holders for Christmas this year. I can assure you of that.
There you go. I love it. All right, everyone. Now, as always, with your October All Access 2021, don't forget, no matter which format you're going to receive this in, whether you get the physical book or the download, there is tons and tons of wonderful information in here. We have step-by-step directions. We have numbered steps that match your machine to help you get through them as well. tons of bonus content. We even include sneak peeks of collections that are coming up in the next few months. So as an all access member, you're going to know what's coming out before everybody else does. And one of our newest things that we're adding is links in the digital download so that you can go direct to videos and tips and tricks to help you through these projects. Thank you so much for being all access members. Brianna and I are so excited to see you all next month. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Bye, y'all.